What is legislative intent in statutory law? Imagine trying to solve a puzzle without knowing what picture it's supposed to create. That's similar to how courts interpret laws without understanding what lawmakers really wanted to achieve. When lawmakers pass a law, they have a reason behind it, a goal they want to accomplish. This reason is called legislative intent. It's like the hidden message or purpose behind the words in a law. Legislative intent helps judges figure out what a law means when the words are unclear or confusing. If a law says something vague, courts look beyond the exact wording to see what the lawmakers meant. This ensures that laws are applied in a way that matches the original goal of the legislature. For example, if a law is meant to protect workers, courts want to interpret it in a way that really helps workers, not in a way that undermines that purpose. To find out what lawmakers intended, courts look at many sources. They check official records of the legislative process, like reports that explain why the law was created. They also review debates from when lawmakers discuss the bill on the floor. Sometimes, sponsors of the bill make statements clarifying what they wanted the law to do. Historical context, such as what was happening at the time, can also give clues. Changes made during the legislative process, like amendments, can reveal what the lawmakers wanted to include or exclude. Related laws and past court decisions can also help interpret the law's purpose. In courtrooms, understanding legislative intent is very important. Judges use different methods to interpret laws. Some focus on what the words say, called textualism. Others look at the bigger purpose of the law, called purposism. When the language is clear, judges usually follow the words. But if there's confusion, they turn to legislative intent to guide their decisions. Knowing what lawmakers wanted helps courts avoid misapplying laws or filling gaps in ways that don't match the original goals. It also keeps the separation of powers clear, making sure judges don't create laws but interpret them as lawmakers intended. Lawyers often research legislative intent to support their arguments, making it a key part of courtroom strategy. In simple terms, legislative intent is what lawmakers had in mind when they made a law. It guides courts in understanding and applying laws correctly, especially when the words alone don't tell the full story. This way, laws work as they were meant to and judges stay true to the original policy goals of the legislature.